Welcome to Poetry Changes Lives, my book of poetry, history, a thought for the day. You can go to the poetrychangeslives.com website if you wish to buy the book. It makes a great present, you know. Well, on this day, in 1939, that wonderful, unique film, The Wizard of Oz, premiered in Hollywood. It was a magical tale that many have grown to love, of the little girl who finds herself in a land somewhere over the rainbow. She's always looking for a magical sort of happy ending, and it turns out all right for her in the end. But in real life, Judy Garland, who played little Dorothy in the film, had a tragic and troubled life, unhappy love affairs, addiction to alcohol and drugs. She died tragically young at 47, really of an overdose. The little girl who'd always been looking for a magical life over the rainbow ended sadly in despair. A very sad story. Nobody deserves to die like that, and addiction is such a terrible disease. Well, today I'm going to read a poem called The Rainbow, which is actually very positive, by William Wordsworth. I like this. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began, so be it when I shall grow old. So is it now I am a man, or let me die. The child is father to the man. I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural piety. That's rather nice, I think. Today I will remember that regrettably our dreams may not always come true. Thanks for listening.